Ma famille compte 6 membres. My
Yeah.
family consists of 5 members.
Member.
C'est une petite famille. It's a small family. Je suis fille unique. Je suis mariée.
Hmm.
J'ai
Hey there, welcome to frenchnyou, your go-to place for affordable live online French courses. Whether you are a beginner or preparing for DELF or DELF exam, we have got you covered. Join our global community of more than 25,000 learners from more than 45 different countries with 2 million plus views on YouTube. On our website, you can rate your own French level and pick the batch that suits you best. We offer multiple time slots and you get to choose 2 preferences at the time of registration. Every French course includes 2 mock DELF practice exams and a course completion certificate. Visit frenchnyou.com to explore course details, success stories, and more.
All right. So in the previous class, what did we do?
We were doing exercises Kayer for this dossier 3 Lekon 1. We did
Lesson 1.
lesson 1.
Lesson
We
1.
did,
Hmm.
yeah, so we did till I think till 3. Fifth was the homework. Yeah, question 5 you gave us homework.
Question 5 was a homework.
Hmm.
Okay.
5. Yeah.
Okay. Have you done this?
Yes, I've done.
D'accord. So we have to frame the question in this, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, that's perfect. So what is your answer for the first
So for the
part?
first one, I wrote vous habitez près de vos parents.
And then there will be a question mark, right?
Question mark. Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
let me write it over here. So you have written vous habitez.
Vous habitez, yeah.
Attends. Okay, vous habitez près
Près, P-R-E, yeah. Près
près
de
de
vos
près de vos parents.
parents.
Correct. This is correct. And here you can also write this the same question in the tu form.
Yeah,
Okay.
I've written
So it can be
you. Yeah.
tu habites près
You
de
habitez
tes parents.
de tes parents. Yeah.
Both are correct.
Okay. I thought it's more informal, so that's why I then made it formal.
It's okay. It's okay. No worries. No worries. Okay. What about the next one?
Next one I wrote est-ce que ta sœur et ton cousin étudiant le français?
Oui,
Is
ma soeur et mon cousin étudient le français. Okay.
like I asked, is your est-ce
Sure. Uh, okay. Can you repeat your question once again?
est-ce que
Est-ce
ta
que,
est-ce
est-ce
que
que,
est-ce que est-ce que ta sœur
so,
ton cousin
et ton
et ton
cousin
cousin étudiant le
étudie,
étudie. Okay, étudie.
étudie le français?
Et
You can also make the same question by removing this est-ce que. Okay.
okay.
Then also that this question will be accepted.
Okay, without
Right?
est-ce que also.
Without est-ce que also this can be done. Okay.
Oh.
Est-ce que is mainly used if you have seen the recording previous in some of the previous a few classes back. When I explained Anup
Okay.
the concept of making the questions, interrogation and everything. So at that point of time we discussed. Okay, that video is very important. Please do watch that
I'll check.
whenever you get the time because there I have talked about the interrogation topic in detail. Okay,
Okay,
how
fine.
many ways are there? Formal way, informal way, standard way. Okay, so this ESCO method is a standard method. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. What about the next third question? Sa mère et sa tante sont français, francophones.
Yeah, so I wrote sa mère et sa tante sont francophones with a question mark.
Mm. Okay.
Is that
In
okay?
this, yeah, that is also fine, but there is another way of saying this question. Qui est francophone dans sa famille? Who is francophone
Oh,
in his family or her family? Okay.
oh, yeah,
So this is another way. You can also add this up in your
yeah.
notebook. This is another way. Okay. What about the next one?
I wrote, est-ce vos parents sont français? Are your
Written, est-ce que nos parents sont
hmm,
français? Okay. So here you can also, the one that you have made is also correct, and you can also make it like this. Simple. Vos parents sont français?
are your
Your
parents?
parents are French? So
Your
then the
parents.
answer can be no. Nos parents ne sont pas français.
Right. Yes. Okay, yeah. This one, I've done. Uh, I'll tell you what I've written.
Hmm.
Est-ce que vous are international army?
Can you
Like,
repeat once again?
est-ce que vous are international army? No, I could
Okay,
not.
so the
I want to
question
say that
is,
are your friends? Do
uh,
you have international friends?
so I'll tell you. The answer is oui, elle a des amis à Lille et à Paris. Yes, she has friends in Lille and in Paris.
Yeah.
So here you can make a one way is you can make a question like this. Elle connaît des personnes en France. She knows some people in France. This is one way. Okay.
Acha. Yeah.
She knows some people in France. Another type of question that we can make over here is elle a des amis en France. Is she having friends in France?
He's having
That
friends.
can also be one
Yeah.
of the way, right? Elle a des amis en France, right? This is another way of writing question.
El and okay, the first one is El Kona. Kona.
Connaît.
Kone.
All right.
Six.
Leur grand-mère a
So
75 ans. Leur grand-mère a 75 ans. So what is the answer what is the question that you have written?
Quel âge a leur grand-mère?
Exactement. Quel âge a leur grand-mère?
Quel âge a leur grand-mère? Okay.
Okay, so here we have one more question, Anubhuti. Présentez votre famille. Describe or present your family. So here we have to read this. Ma famille plurielle, c'est l'histoire d'une famille de 10 enfants, 7 garçons et 3 filles. Et vous, comment est votre famille? Nous attendons vos témoignages. So here you have to describe, you have to talk about a little bit about your family. Okay? So write at least 5-6 lines about your family. Use the vocabulary words, use the adjective possessive that we have discussed in the chapter. No? And and you have the vocabulary already.
Yeah.
So you can go ahead. If you want some ideas, you can also take some ideas from here, from this particular, these
Yeah.
two texts, you know. You can just go through it once. Ma famille compte 6 membres. My family consists of 5 members. C'est une petite famille. It's a small family. Je suis fille unique. Je suis mariée. J'ai 2 filles magnifiques. Je suis proche de mes parents. Another way is, j'ai 2 sœurs et 2 frères. Je les adore. J'ai un mari et un fils de 13 ans. Mes neveux et mes nièces sont plus jeunes. Ils sont 10 cousins au total. Ils s'amusent beaucoup ensemble. Okay? So you can take some reference from here and wait, let's
This
write
is
about the family.
so this is Sir X's
Hmm.
Sir X's right?
Which one, sorry?
This about the right now this exercise is in exercise, no?
S'exercer. Oui, s'exercer, page number 171.
Okay.
71, oui.
Mm. Yeah. I'm wondering where, like I remember doing it, but it's not there in the lesson. Okay. So you're saying at least 5-6 lines, no?
Yeah, minimum, yeah.
Okay. This like je suis proche de mes parents. So proche is small. No,
No, proche means near, someone who is near. Okay? So I am close to my,
close to my parents. Okay. Okay. I've written something. Maybe while I'm telling you, I'll ask you
yeah.
the just to complete the.
Mm-hmm.
So I've written ma famille compte cinq membres
Membre,
full stop. Mon mari, ses parents, sa mère, son père, mon fils et moi. C'est c'est une famille qui travaille. Like I want to say it's a working family.
mm-hmm.
Mon mari est un ingénieur, son père un médecin, sa mère une professeure et moi une avocate. Then I've written nous habitons ensemble dans un appartement et c'est sympa. But I want to write it's nice to live together. And it's nice to
C'est
live together.
sympa d'habiter ensemble. But let me
C'est
give
sympa.
you a, c'est
Yeah.
sympa d'habiter ensemble.
D'habiter.
B apostrophe and then habiter verb.
Oh, c'est sympa d'habiter ensemble.
Ensemble, oui. So send me the picture of this text, and I'll send you the corrections afterwards,
Yeah.
right?
Okay.
And as of now, I'm also giving you a sample response. This is like another family description. I'm just copying it over here so that you can just check. If there is anything that you find good here, you can also
Use it.
use it next time.
Yeah.
All right. So, Anubhuti, I've copied a text,
Okay,
a
yeah.
paragraph. Let me write it properly over here. Voila. Please have a look.
Oh, okay. In Italy,
La
family is very
famille.
important. So that's the case in India also.
C'est ça. And
Okay.
this is how maybe you can also frame it.
Yeah.
In this way. This looks really appealing,
Yeah.
So in this case, you can write on end.
Hmm.
La famille est très important.
Dans ma famille, il y a
Importante, pardon.
importante. Yeah, dans ma famille, il y a 3 personnes. Mon mari,
Marie,
fille.
ma fille, the 4 ans. Now here you can also add the name, the age of your son,
Yeah,
So,
moi. Ok.
okay. Mes parents habitent dans notre quartier à Rome.
In our room.
À Rome.
In there. Okay. No.
In Rome. Okay.
Okay.
So in your case, you can write Lucknow.
Yeah. Okay, so mes parents habitent dans notre
Spelling ठीक है लखनऊ की मैंने गलत तो नहीं लिख दी
बस
LUCK
यही
है
है
ना
LU हाँ
I forgot it.
yeah like that C is not there, it's LUKNOW.
अच्छा okay. LUK
No, LUC only, you're right. Lucknow.
मैंने देखा था क्योंकि कहीं पढ़ा हुआ बट it's been long time now.
Yeah. So
Okay.
mes parents habitent dans notre quartier.
In our area, basically in our neighborhood
Okay.
in Lucknow.
In our neighborhood, yeah, okay. In our
But
okay.
basically, in case you want to, I mean, this shows that you are also in Lucknow only, but there's
Yeah.
a different house.
Yeah.
Okay?
Like near.
Yeah.
Then mon frère et sa famille habitent dans
Habite dans le north.
d'Italie. Okay.
Sorry. Then
So
the land
like my brother and his family lives
in the north.
India. Okay.
Right.
Ils viennent souvent ici.
Ils viennent souvent ici. He often comes here. They often comes here. Oui.
Often comes here, yeah. Ma fille joue avec son cousin et sa cousine. Cousine, c'est
Sampa.
My daughter
plays with her cousin and
a cousin,
male brother and sister, cousin brother and cousin sister. It's a Sampa.
Sampa.
Voila.
Yeah, this is nice actually. Good.
You can also
you
can also note some of the pointers if you feel like.
Yeah.
Right? Just add on some pointers. Okay. Can we move ahead or something?
This it means ils viennent.
Il vien. So it is the venir verb.
Venir verb, yeah. Okay. Vien.
Remember the venir verb? Have we done the venir verb?
We've not done, but I think it's come in our
I think we have come, but I don't know. I don't remember. So if you want, you can also note down the venir verb. Je viens, tu viens, elle vient. Then we have nous venons, vous venez,
Okay.
elle viennent. Voilà.
So je viens, tu viens, elle vient. Nous viens. Nous est.
Sorry, I'll tell you. Je viens,
Yeah.
tu viens, elle vient,
Okay.
nous venons, vous venez, elles viennent.
Okay. Yeah. Vous venez, nous venons. Elles viennent.